Transferring the data from one device or one folder to another, I have opened the libraries and document files are there here. Click on the file. If you are once clicking the file, it gets selected. Go to the organize, click copy, then come to another drive. I have 4 drives here in my computer. New volume E, data D, system C. I am opening the new volume E. Again go to the organize and click on paste. It get pasted over here. What I did, transferring data from one device to another, is selection of file. Number 2, go to organize, then cut or copy, then organize and then paste. Cut, copy and paste, we have 3 things. Copy, it copies the data and shortcut is Ctrl+C. Cut or move, it reorganize the data and our shortcut is Ctrl+X. Paste is Ctrl+V and it pastes the data from one place to another. Sometimes we need to run multiple programs at once to complete the task. For that, we need to switch between one program to another program. To switch between one program to another program, we have 2 methods. One is using taskbar, another is using keyboard. Using taskbar, we can open the active window on the screen with the help of just one mouse click. See, this is the active window and similarly this one is the active window, and this is our taskbar where we are having start button at one end and clock at the another end. If we are clicking on it, if we are not only clicking on it, we are selecting on it, we can get the sheet over here, and this is called the thumbnail. Similarly, it is not active, no thumbnail is there. It is not active, no thumbnail is there. This is also active and the thumbnail we are having on the screen. By clicking on this thumbnail, we can get the screen over the screen. Second method, using keyboard. If you want to use keyboard to see the active window, you have to just click the Alt button from one hand and tab from the another hand. See how we can do it. I am pressing the Alt button with the thumb and pressing the tab button with the finger, and I am getting this screen over here. And if I am pressing the Alt button from the thumb by all means, and tab I am pressing one by one, and I am getting the different windows. This is our desktop screen, and this is one window that is opened, and this is another window that is opened. If I am leaving my thumb, I am getting that on the screen.